Hello, this is Ian Stevenson, and this is the video walkthrough of the beautiful Boston Whaler 2019 320 Vantage. As you can see, immediately upon looking at this boat, it is designed to lounge, cruise, go to the sandbar, chill out for the day, but still has a great versatile range of fishing and a number of other activities on the water. Take a step aboard. Immediately upon looking at the boat, you'll notice the convertible seating back here. Fold up the seats, nice bolster for fishing, fish boxes in the floor, and a great utility below. One of the greatest features of this boat is the dive door here to the starboard side. Great for just boarding right from the water. You're on water level with the ladder, and a nice grab handle here on the side as well. Convert the seat bench forward. Rear facing chaise, forward facing bench, and then another great innovative feature on this boat, spin this bench seat right around, and a full lounger right here in the boat. How comfortable is that? To the starboard side, you have galley, nice countertop here, stainless steel appliances, isotherm refrigerator, and all of your switches to your live well and fish boxes down below. Over top, we have a beautiful full beam hardtop and shade, auto shade that goes all the way to the back of the boat. Spin this seat back around. Able to go up and down automatically to really customize your experience here. And then, of course, what would a boat this size be without some kind of a really comfortable berth down below? To not be too claustrophobic, we have a sunroof up top, and the seat slides over for a nice sleeping area. What a helm, right? Real expansive, up to two 12-inch screens or a single 15-inch screen can be accommodated here. Joystick piloting. Again, very versatile. This commands the entire boat. This joystick control, auto tabs, active trim, everything is right there within finger's reach. A nice big head, great for storage down here for canvas as well. Walk through to the bow. You have a great filler cushion up in the bow of this boat, plenty of storage down below. What would a bow lounger be without a nice armrest? Very, very comfortable while you're cruising out there. To the front of this boat, we have a boarding ladder and also anchor windlass that's flush into the hull. No obstructions right out here. You just have the non-skid and then a bow shower as well. This has been the video walkthrough of the 2019 320 Vantage, and we'll see you out there on the water.